Glass Bridge, Darjeeling, or Teen Pool Skywalk, Singtam. The road is like this condition. Actually, Rajesh ji took us, that's why the small car can reach. Otherwise, I will suggest you to go with a big car. And those who has knee problem or back problem, don't go. My mother had a problem. She was inside the car, but still she had problem. The road was very steep and real bumpy, and this is what I am showing you in the video, which you cannot find in social media. You can see the glass bridge, but the road you have to see in this video. We're going towards that glass bridge or skywalk, so that is the road. I said that car, we have to stop the car over there, and we are taking the road. We will walk. It will take 15 to 20 minutes from here. Basically, we are going toward the skywalk, and the road condition is not good. Car cannot go, maybe heavy car, but the road, you can see this is the condition, so it's better to walk. My mother is waiting in the car, and here the local people told me that it will take 15 to 20 minutes walk. That's why I'm carrying my biscuits and all. And the bridge is not there, the direct Bijanbari bridge, due to this heavy rain, landslide on 4th. We have to take the route, which it's a longer route. So let's see how long it will take. And it's 12th of November 2025, and we started around 12:15 p.m. Let's see how long it will take, 15-20 minutes, or it's more than that. I found this tender bamboo and I was trying to walk as a stick, but after that my hand was itching, because tender bamboo, it will cause the itching, and I just throw it out. And if you think these are Instagrammable and seeing that you will decide to come here, then think twice. So we have to take this kind of road here and there. This is the actual road you have to take, and sometimes I have to switch off the mobile because of my safety. I cannot do the recording, and I can walk here. And unfortunately I forgot my trek stick. It will be better to have a trek stick or something lathi kind of thing. Finally, the glass bridge we reached. This is the glass bridge. This is the entrance of glass bridge. You cannot see at first, so from there you will see the wooden. Even I was confused, and there few glasses are there. So this is the glass bridge. You can see this is where, and those are the steps, like glass steps, and we reached here as usual with my father. Who else can come? What is the main thing about Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima's YouTube channel, that whatever you can see in Instagram or YouTube, you cannot see the exact location or what is the road condition. So I will always share the road condition so that you can see, and then you can decide it's you can come or not. We have that much of fitness, that's why we both can come. Otherwise, that is the glass bridge or hanging bridge you can see, and after that you decide. Okay, walk. walk. তবে তো ওয়াক বলে যাচ্ছি, আরে হাঁটো না। He can walk. আই নাড়াবে না বলছি। Actually it was swinging, so this is how we interact. This is fun. The view from glass bridge. My father is coming. পাহাড়ি নদীর শব্দই আলাদা. I love it. So this is my footstep. I was walking towards the glass bridge. I was not scared at all. That is the end of glass bridge. This one my father clicked. As usual, my father was trying to capture the entire area, so this is how he captured. It is in his eyes. Here for the last time I was trying to cross the glass bridge again, as because I cannot go to Sikkim, so that's why I try to enjoy as much I can. Basically this teen pool skywalk, mainly these local people are using. It was an old bridge and they just made this kind of glass bridge, so it is there before, so you can see the locals are using most of the time. Only during the photo click the silence is there, otherwise Joler Gorjon. People often ask me if I'm scared of something. Yes, I do scare, but what? I really don't know. By the way, thank you for watching and being with Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So all the driver details, hotel, everything will be in the description box. Please do check it and don't ask me number. You can always check it there, na. What I feel like that I saw a Tata Sumo that is there just in front of glass bridge, but other than that small car it is not possible, and it is a 15-20 minutes walk, not very steep, it's easy. Whatever I had right now, I was just running, so just out of oxygen, so that's why. Otherwise the road condition I won't say good, but if it's a walking, this is good one. You will get some bumpy stony road, little bit muddy, water, everything. When I was coming down I was thinking where we are going. We are going up, by the way. So Darjeeling tour this year, it is really memorable. Tomorrow will be the rest day. We are not going anywhere. Stick will be better. I feel very confident and energetic. Here even you can get this place, few places are there to eat. These dogs are really cute. So this is the road. This is the only road, I guess. See, this is the tire. Only sumo can go. I can see the tire sign. As I said, if you don't want to walk, have this Tata Sumo. Else you cannot come. দেখেছো কি রাস্তা? Okay, so how do I find road or reach this kind of destination without having route map? I believe in sixth sense, and after that I was getting the sound of this falls, and my father said 100% okhane kichu nei. That means I'm 100% not 200% sure we are very close to the destination. This is the time. We started at 12:15, and finally after this glass bridge almost 20-25 minutes it will take to reach the glass bridge, and then again you have to come up. So we are here within 1:15. Still our car I cannot see. We have to go a little bit further. Bridge is done, and after that we had raw tea lalcha, what we can say, because we need some energy. And after that we went to a hotel. Rajeshji took us there for the lunch. So next video we will see, and we too in the glass bridge.